So you just unboxed your manual breast pump. Staring at all those plastic parts can feel a bit overwhelming, right? Honestly, we have all been there. It looks crazy, right? But don't worry, sweet mama. Today, we are making this super simple and stress-free for you. Before touching the pump, wash your hands with warm water. Cleanliness is everything when it comes to your baby. Now, find a very comfortable chair to sit in. Grab a big glass of water and your favorite snack. Being completely relaxed is the real secret to more milk. Let's check the fit of your pump flange. This is the funnel part that goes on your skin. It should sit right over the center without pinching you. If it hurts, the size is wrong. It should always feel completely comfortable. Ready? Place the pump flat against you to create a secure seal. Start with quick, short pumps. Think of how your baby nurses at the very beginning. This gentle tapping triggers your body to release the milk. Once you see drops starting to flow, change your rhythm. Switch to long, steady squeezes. Hold the handle down for a second before releasing. This mimics deep, relaxed baby swallowing. What if the milk stops flowing? No panic! Just go back to those quick, short pulses to start the flow again. If you feel any pain, stop immediately and adjust the angle. Pumping should never, ever hurt. When you are done, safely pour that liquid gold into a clean storage bag. You absolutely did it! How did your first try feel? Drop a comment below because we are all in this together.